In this video, we will cover how to use your 975 instructional audio system. The 975 is designed to evenly distribute the teacher's voice throughout the room, so all students can clearly hear and understand the teacher. The 975 amplifier is generally located on a shelf or countertop, but occasionally can be mounted on the wall. It is connected to a speaker or speakers in the ceiling or on the wall. This is your flex mic, and it's really easy to use. You have one button to turn it on and off, and the same button is also your mute. Flex mic hangs comfortably around your neck with its magnetic lanyard. You'll want to adjust it to the proper length using the adjusters on the side, so the top of your microphone sits just below your collarbone. That puts it in the proper location, so whether you're in this corner of the room or turning facing the whiteboard, your voice is clearly heard throughout the room. Here's the good part. When the flex mic is on, you no longer need to project and use your teacher voice. Just speak in soft, conversational tones. Once you're used to wearing the flex mic, you'll begin to experience a calmer classroom and students become more engaged and focused. You'll also notice that at the end of the day, you will have more energy and less vocal strain. The first time you use your flex mic, it should be on the charger ready for use. The power status light is on the front of the microphone. It will turn green after a full night's charge, indicating the battery is ready. A red light indicates it is still charging. Remove the microphone from the charger. You'll see that the power status light and the power mute button turn white. This indicates the microphone is on, but muted. The flex mic automatically mutes when you remove it, so it stays quiet while you put it on. When you have the flex mic around your neck and positioned properly, go ahead and tap the power mute button. You'll notice the light will turn blue, indicating the audio is live. At this point, you should hear your voice coming through the classroom speaker. Now we need to make sure the volume is set to an optimum level. A common mistake is to set the volume level too high. Louder volumes actually cause students to become fatigued and may result in feedback when you walk near the speaker. Optimum volume is at a level where you can just barely hear your own voice. It's best to have another person in the room to test the volume, but generally out of the box, the system volume will be close to the appropriate level. If you do need to turn the volume up or down slightly, you can press the volume up/down arrows on the side of the flex mic. If the volume is still much too high or low, you may need to adjust the volume level at the system. Once the volume is set, you generally don't need to adjust it throughout the day. At this point, just begin teaching as normal. If you want to have a private conversation, step out into the hallway, or stop using the flex mic for any reason, just tap the power mute button. The light will turn white and your microphone is muted. There is generally not a need to fully power the microphone off. The battery will hold its charge all day, up to 8 hours. But if you wish to do so, press and hold the power mute button for about 2 seconds and you will see the lights go off. To turn it back on, hold the power mute button for a couple seconds. The lights will glow white, indicating the microphone is on and ready to use. At the end of the day, you will need to return your microphone to the cradle charger for nightly charging. As I mentioned, the battery will last a full day, up to 8 hours, but will need to be charged each night. A full charge cycle takes 5 to 6 hours. Place your microphone in the charger. You'll see that the power status light will glow red, indicating charging has started. In the morning when you return, your microphone will be fully charged and the power status light will glow green. Also, if during operation the power status light turns red, that means your battery charge is running low. Generally, there will still be 30 to 40 minutes of operation before your battery is fully depleted. Your system is shipped with the flex mic pre-paired to the 975, but if for any reason you need to pair it with a different system, follow this pairing process. From a powered off state, point the IR transmitter lens on top of the flex mic toward the 975. Press and hold the power mute button for 5 seconds until both mic 1 and mic 2 lights start flashing. Then release the button and let the pairing process finish. The status light on the 975 will begin flashing. Once pairing is complete, it will turn solid blue. The microphone's 1 or 2 LED on the flex mic will light to indicate pairing is complete and the microphone is ready for operation. The 975 is the control and connection hub for your instructional audio system. There are 3 selector buttons that you may choose to adjust the levels for audio input, audio output, and tone. There's an audio input volume to control the level of your connected media sources. If you need to connect additional media devices to play through the audio system, use a standard audio cable to connect audio devices to one of the audio input ports on the 975. The other end should connect to the audio output or headphone jack on your device. If you have a student who's hard of hearing and uses an assistive listening device, the transmitter can be connected to the audio output on the 975 in order to retransmit all audio directly to the student's receiver. Finally, you can power down your audio system by pressing and holding the power button for about 2 seconds until the power light turns off. To wake it back up, simply tap the power button again. With that, you now know everything you need to know to effectively use this powerful tool. If you have any questions, please visit our website or call our toll-free number. We have a live customer service team available to help. We thank you for taking time to watch this video and for using Lightspeed system.